What's up, everyone? How y'all doing? Back with another unboxing. It's been a hot minute since we even did the last one, but we're in month 4 now of the lockdown, and I know a lot of you're trying to keep up with your fitness, and it's getting a little bit hard. I know some people have weights at home, have a home gym, but other people might not be so fortunate, and I'm one of those people. I have a few weights. I have about 50 pounds worth of plates, but that's not really a lot when you're doing things like chest and back. So I wanted to kind of mix it up a little bit, and I've been doing some plyometrics, and I even have a cable band. But the problem is, though, the cable band is only about, I think, maybe 15 or 20 pounds of resistance. It's just not that much. So I went onto Amazon, and I actually purchased a whole new set of cable bands. This is 115 pounds worth, and hopefully this will solve my needs for now until October, when I'm comfortable going back to the gym. With Corona being the way it is, it just doesn't feel safe to go back to a gym of all things, where people don't, clean the machines. So there's no point in risking my health or my family's health, and this was a much cheaper investment. So I got this resistance band set from Amazon. It cost about 50 Canadian dollars, so maybe like $5.99 US. It's really cheap, which is nice, considering what I'm supposed to be getting in the box. Now let's crack this thing open and see exactly what's inside. I searched high and low for a good set, and this seemed to be the best value one I could find. Now, looking in the box, we have two things. We have the bag of stuff. Don't need that. And then we also have a chart of exercise workouts that you can do. That's really handy to have. It's fairly large. I think it's like four feet big. It unfolds quite a few times. I'm not going to unfold it here. But you get a chart of exercises, so in case you're new to resistance bands, this is a great way to go. And now let's take a look at this nice, what is this, canvas? I think this is a canvas bag. Let's take a look at the canvas bag and see what they got. I think I already ripped it. Ooh. Well, hopefully I'm not going to have to return anytime soon. So we got the Google Colors worth of bands here. And then we have a crumpled up piece of paper. Oh, another quick exercise chart. So this one's not nearly as well maintained, but at least they got it. And this is nice. They show you some stuff you can do without having to mount the bands to something. And then we also got we got our one handle. I think this is a leg handle or a door mount. I don't know which one that is. They give you a lot of stuff here. And then we got our second handle, and then extra bands here. Now, looking at this chart, we have the red, which is the 50 pounds. And then we have the black, which is 40. Green, which is 30. Blue, which is 20. And yellow, which is 10. And I like it. The main reason I picked this set in particular was because it comes with clips. The other one I have is like socket mounted. So I like the fact it has clips. These are nice carabiners. They feel good. They feel sturdy. The reviews on this kit were a little bit mixed, but overall the reviews seemed good enough for me to want to make the investment. And once again, $50 was a much cheaper investment for me to stay home and stay safe, rather than pay the $60 a month to go to my gym and risk my health. So there is that. I would say that these handles do feel a little small, but overall, I'll make it work. That's not too bad. I can always buy new handles. But I got this because I liked it that it was clipped. I liked that it had metal carabiners. I don't know what you call them. I'm not too sure what this thing is. Like I said, I think this thing is either for a foot or it's for a mount of some kind. But I'll have to look that up on the box, which is now currently sitting on the floor just out of line of sight for the camera. But overall, this feels good. Let's see. The red one is the one I'm interested in the most, obviously, because it's 50 pounds. So let's just see how this is really fast. Oh, that feels nice. Oh, yeah. That feels really good. Yeah. And then what was the next one? Black? So black was, I think, 40 pounds. Yeah, black is 40 pounds. So let's take a look at that. Yeah, that one feels good. I think this one, yeah, 40. I think that's what my other one is. Maybe it might be 40 pounds. It feels relatively the same. Then we got green. Nope, it's definitely green. The other one I own is a definite green, and that's definitely 30 pounds. So that is nice. Let's see how this feels here. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, that feels nice. Okay. So I'm not going to drag this out for too much longer. Hey, if you like this video or you want to see more like it, leave a comment down below. And if you want to get this product, you can also get it in the description box. There's no affiliate code. I'm just going to put a product link there. And remember, hit that subscribe button. We're getting so close to 1,000 subscribers. It would help me out immensely. You really don't know how much I really want to get that done. So guys, thank you so much for tuning in. This is just an unboxing. If you want a full fat review, once again, leave a comment down below. If it gets enough upvotes, I'll put a review out. And other than that, I've been Arif. This has been an unboxing of the fitness kit of, whose fitness kit is this? They say Live Monster, but I don't think that's the name of the company. This has just been some random band company that I found on Amazon. So guys, thanks so much, and I'll see all of you on the next video. Bye.